Welcome. Today I will explain the different key types and how to identify them. Knowing what key type you have is important when choosing a remote start. First, we have a standard key. This is a basic key with no markings on the key blade. Next, we have a dot key. The dot key can be identified by a small dot on the blade of the key, just under the key's handle. This is a G key. The G key can be identified by a small letter G stamped into the blade of the key. This is an H key. The H key can be identified by a small letter H stamped into the blade of the key. Last, we have a push to start ignition. This is identified by a button you will press to start your vehicle. When choosing your remote start, it is very important that you pick the correct key that corresponds with your vehicle and the remote start you want to install. The key type for this kit can be found in the title or bullet points below. Thank you, and enjoy your new remote start from my push cart.